I've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour that I sifted, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. Make sure they're light. Then we're going to add our shortening in here. I've got 1/3 of a cup. It's just a basic tortilla recipe. So let's get this started. Now I'm going to use 8 ounces, so 1 cup of very hot water. Minutes. We're going to see how it's going, and I did have it on high. I want to get a really good mix to this. It's off of there very nicely. And let's get it out of the bowl. I did have to add a tiny bit of flour, just a sprinkle, because I put too much water in there. It's hard to have it, get it just right. You don't want it really dry, but you don't want it overly tacky. So let me move my camera here. So our dough's out, and it feels really nice. It's really soft. It's not sticking to my counter here. It's not sticking to my hands, which is what we want. Kind of a big tortilla. I may have to adjust that size, so we'll see. See how many we get out of this. All right, I'm finishing these up. I'm just rolling them, getting them nice and smooth with my hands like you would a meatball. And then I'm going to let them rest for a little while in this bowl. Hopefully they don't stick to each other. The idea is to have a nice soft tortilla when they're done, so I want them to be soft and pliable. And we'll see if I can make that happen. We're going to let them rest for probably about 15 minutes. And I'm going to cover them with a nice hot towel. You could use a paper towel. This is a wet towel, and because I don't want them to dry out. And when we start to roll them out, I'll just take out what I need as I need it to roll it and bake it. And we'll let these rest a little while. So making tortillas in the stand mixer seemed to come out okay. I didn't have to do a lot of kneading. Till next time.